Welcome back to my channel. I am doing this makeup video finally. It is a warm brown look. Yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so I start with my brows and I use the Maybelline Expert Wear in Velvet Black. So I just start from right here where I'm gonna put the line, and I just do it very lightly. Then I go on the top. Then after I'm done with that, I go in with the spoolie. So I'm going to go in with the Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Nude. So I'm gonna do the other eyebrow and then come back whenever I'm doing the eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow. I said that this video is gonna be like a go-to warm glam but subtle look. So warm is always browns and burnt oranges for me. Usually what I like to do is something lighter in the inner corner, and then, you know, do like a medium brown and then the darkest brown on the end. First, I'm going to start off by priming my lid with a little bit of concealer, and I'm going to again use the Born This Way concealer in Nude. Sorry, take a what is this? This is the e.l.f. crease brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade, and I'm just gonna start this in the crease. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the one of the outer shades. But so I'm gonna focus this on the outer corner. Now we're gonna go in with the last shade, this one right here. I'm gonna go in on the outer corner with this shadow. And now I'm going to go in with a lighter shade, which is going to be like in the inner corner right here, just to brighten it up a little bit. I don't know if I should go in with this one or if I should go in with this one. I think I'm going with the top one, the one that looks a little bit more pink. So I'm gonna get it on this brush and I'm gonna pack it on there instead of like fluffy. That is all for the eyeshadow. The only other thing that I would probably do, I would take my Milani highlighter, and this is in the shade Day Glow. Get a little bit on my brush and then grab my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and spray it just a slight bit. Wait like 3 seconds and then put it in the inner corner. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'm going to come back when I'm done. Okay, so now we're going to start on the face, and first, before I do anything, I'm gonna apply the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I've been going back and forth between the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in warm beige and the Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation, and this one is in 41 NN. I think it's neutral, natural, neutral, some shit like that, I don't know. So this one is very I'm blinking. This one is very full coverage. I color correct with the peach corrector from LA Girl Pro Concealer. I mean LA Girl, but it's the Pro Concealer. So like obviously you can see how it's dark or whatever, and I have like scarring. Ooh, y'all, excuse my I need to get my lip wax. This is horrible. So I'm going to blend that in very quickly. What the hell? Oh my god, why does this always happen to me? That to it. Oh my god, now the fucking sound. Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
No! No! No!
Bray! Yes. So I'm going to go in again with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in nude. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. crease brush. Okay, so now I'm going to set. So yeah, I'm gonna use the contour powder start off. Oh, I'm sorry. And this is the, what the hell? I know this is an e.l.f. brush, but it faded off it. Mineral powder brush. Okay, so I dusted away the powder that I put under, and I brushed out my hair as well. I was waiting, obviously my camera died, so I just brushed all of the powder away with this Sephora powder brush in with my Anastasia powder. I'm just gonna brighten up a couple of places that are usually like just a little darker, like around my mouth and then just like under my eyes. After that, I'm going to go back in with my Milani highlighter, and I'm just going to do the same thing that I did earlier over again. So I'm going to get it on my brush, take the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and spray it just a little bit. Wait a couple of seconds and then do it in my inner corners. I'm doing it over again because obviously I put concealer, so I'm just going to do it a little on both. I'm going to be using the same highlighter for my actual highlight. I use the small tapered brush from e.l.f. I'm going to get a little on my brush and then I'm going to spray it with the oh my gosh, with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. My cheekbones. Big mama period. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna be using this auto eyeliner by Nika K. Use it as a lip liner. It's a cream silky stick. It's by Nika K. Okay, so I'm going to use this little lip gloss that I get at the beauty supply. It's Broadway. It's the rose hip oil one. If you go to any beauty supply, they'll have like a bunch of different ones. You can just choose whichever one you want. The last thing I go and do before I set my face, I just go over where my moles are on my mouth, because whenever I put foundation and powder, obviously they lose their color. The last thing I'm gonna do is go in with my, I don't know if it's Morphe or Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, but this stuff smells so good, y'all. Like, if y'all don't buy it for how good it is, because it really is good and it like sets everything so good, buy it for the smell. Definitely buy it for the smell. It's doing too much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, just let me know if y'all want me to do like any other makeup video. Thank you for watching.